Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video, and today I'm gonna let you guys know or show you the procedure to scan QR code on your iPhone. In order to scan QR code on your iPhone, you'll have to follow these steps. Now, unfortunately, I'm not using an iOS device. This is an Android device. However, the procedure for both of these applications, in order to scan the QR code, will remain the same. So I'm going to show you an easy way in order to scan the QR code using your mobile device. First, you begin the process by launching the camera application from your device. It is usually found on the home page and the shortcut button on the bottom corner of your screen, and you could also type in camera on the search bar too, or look for the subsequent pages. Now I'm gonna go ahead and open up the camera first thing. So when you open up the camera, this is how it's gonna look like. Now you just need to go ahead and make sure to place the camera in a position where you could actually scan the QR code, like when it has read the QR code. So you could see there's this link. So if you want to go ahead and open it up, just click on open link, and it's going to direct you to the page indicating that it has successfully read the QR code. Now you could modify the default browser on your iPhone depending on your preferences. So this way you can actually go ahead and scan the QR code using your iPhone or your Android device. That's all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.